Intersecting Canal and beautiful sunset views. Western rear exposure 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage Gulf access pool home. Roof replaced 2018. AC replaced 2021. Water heater replaced 2022. All bedrooms have walk-in closets. Extra storage area in the back of the garage. The city water and city sewer assessments are paid in full. The property would be a great primary residence, second home, vacation home, or investment. Close to Cape Coral Hospital, downtown Cape Coral, the Cape Coral Yacht Club, Tarpon Point, Cape Harbour, Fort Myers, Pine Island, and Matlacha. Easy access for boating, biking, walking, beaches, golfing, airports, shopping, restaurants, parks, boat ramps, and much more. Submit your offer today.